I want to be a Notion girly, so I took the advanced quiz. Final badge of this little side quest. I started this whole thing because I had a Notion tracker for my hysterectomy and recovery, and I was pretty sure that I built a lot of it wrong. And my whole thing is that I want to be able to share it with other people who are going through the same thing. And I wasn't really sure if it was in a state that I could do that. So now I'm sitting here with 3 badges. That's right, your girl got her 3rd badge, and a tracker that I think is actually going to do the thing. So if you want to take this quiz too, I made a study guide like I typically do. It's free, and it's everything you need to be able to pass without me just telling you the answers to all the questions. So what's in the study guide, right? Same shape as the other 2. The topics broken down, the stuff that is low-key, easy to mix up, the corporate speak to Notion, feature by feature, practice questions that you can quiz yourself with. It's everything I needed to help me pass the advanced quiz. Written like a friend who took good notes, which is somehow apparently me now. Thanks, Notion. Most of what I learned with this whole side quest, I learned by building things wrong the first time around. The study guide kind of accidentally became a record of that. Quick thing before I go, if you want to learn Notion next to somebody who has acquired her 3rd Notion badge, follow along. I've genuinely loved sharing this side quest with you. I mean, I even took 3 quizzes. As somebody who gets a little anxious about quizzes, I did it. We built some study guides together. We built some trackers together to help us with our lives, whether that's managing the adulting as a resort or whether that is tracking hysterectomy prep and recovery. We're doing things with Notion, y'all, and I couldn't do it without you. I've got the badges. Now I think it's time for us to get to those cute little dashboards. See you next time.